नमस्कार. जय श्री कृष्ण. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौरभक्त वृंदा. Illuminating text 25 and text 26-27 of chapter 1. Genealogical level of the daughters of Manu. Fourth canon of the creation of the fourth order of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 25. कृपावलोकेन हसद्वद नेनोपलंभितान तद्रोचीषा प्रतिहते निमील्य मुनिरक्षिणी. Atri Muni was greatly pleased to see that the three devas were gracious towards him. His eyes were dazzled by the effulgence of their bodies, and therefore he closed his eyes for the time being. Since the deities were smiling, he could understand that they were pleased with him. Their glaring bodily effulgence was intolerable to his eyes, so he closed them for the time being. Text 26-27. चेतस्तत प्रवणम युञ्जन्नस्तावित समहताञ्जलिः श्लक्षणया सुप्तया वाचा सर्वलोकगरीयसः. अत्रिरुवाच विश्वोद्भव स्थितिर्येषु विभज्यमानैर मायागुणैरनुयुगम् विगृहीतदेहाः ते ब्रह्मविष्णुगिरीशाः प्रणतो अस्म्यहं व स्तेभ्यः क एव भवतां म ईहोपहुतः. But since his heart was already attracted by the deities, somehow or other he gathered his senses, and with folded hands and sweet words he began to offer prayers to the predominating deities of the universe. The great sage Atri said, "O Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiv, you have divided yourself into three bodies by accepting the three modes of material nature, as you do in every millennium, for the creation, maintenance and dissolution of the cosmic manifestation. I therefore offer my respectful obeisances unto all of you and beg to inquire whom of you three I have called by my prayer." Atri Rishi called for the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Jagat Ishvara, the Lord of the universe. The Lord must exist before the creation, otherwise how could he be its Lord? If someone constructs a building, this indicates that he must have existed before the building was constructed. Therefore, the Supreme Lord, the Creator of the universe, must be transcendental to the material modes of nature. But it is known that Vishnu takes charge of the mode of goodness, Brahma takes charge of the mode of passion, and Lord Shiv takes charge of the mode of ignorance. Therefore, Atri Rishi said that Jagat Ishvara, the Lord of the universe, must be one of you. But since three of you have appeared, I cannot recognize whom I have called. You are all so kind. Please let me know who is actually Jagat Ishvara, the Lord of the universe. In fact, Atri Muni was in doubt about the constitutional position of the Supreme Lord Vishnu, but he was quite certain that the Lord of the universe cannot be one of the creatures created by Maya. His very inquiry about whom he had called indicates that he was in doubt about the constitutional position of the Supreme Lord. Therefore, he prayed to all three, "Kindly let me know who is the transcendental Lord of the universe." He was certain, of course, that not all of them could be the Lord, but the Lord of the universe was one of the three. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare.